this is how we chat from Ask Communication. I'm again with another video. Indeed, I'm gonna show you how can you install Viber Messenger to your Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra or any other version of Samsung phone. For this you have to go to Google Play Store, App Store, whatever you can call it. Here you have to do few things. You have to tap here and type Viber. After that, here you have one button, it's called install. Hit this one. Very easy. One most important thing for downloading anything from Google Store, you need a Google account. If you don't have Google account, please check my video, check video description how you can make a Google account. So you see it's loading, you have to wait. It's done. It's giving me one button open. I hit home button here and you see Viber Messenger. I hit this one. Now we'll go to the second phrase. I have to make one account. I'm going to show you how you can do that. I hit start now. You have to put your phone number. It should appear here. If it's not appear here, you have to type manually. So I hit my phone number here. You have to hit yes, allow. They will send me some verification code at my phone, so I'm waiting for the verification code. I've got the verification code here and it's verified automatically. Now you have to put your name here. Let's see. Using while app, mic, allow all the option because you have to use your phone. So now you see all these contacts I have in Viber. I have some other stuffs here at the top. Okay, I close this one. Here you see this is the main screen of Viber Messenger. So I have already one account. You see chat button, you can chat with anybody. More here you have call button, you can call anybody. You see here people you can invite, you can call them. Chat button, I hit this one. Here you see CFC Barcelona page. You have some social media as well in the Viber. This I didn't know before. So now I see they have to. You can make some note and other stuff. Chatting option here I put. You can see here you have call button, your video call button. Here you type whatever the message you want to send. So very easy and simple videos. Okay guys, if you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel. If you like this segment, please give me a thumbs up. As always, for more information, go to the Ask Communication, www.askcommunication.com. Have a lovely evening. Take care till then. Bye.